We've had Corel for over 25 years. And in the 25 years, we can tell you the reason why we chose Corel is because of one simple factor. It's very easy to support. My name is Everett Manning. I'm with Technical Maintenance Support Incorporated. I've been with the company for over 35 years. I'm one of the original founders. We actually support all products: computers, printers, small format, large format, cutters, and we build images. Behind me, as you'll see, is an amazing equipment. All the equipment that we have in this shop is very similar to every shop that we have set up for all of our customers.
TMS Incorporated serves the point of purchase and point of sale needs of some of the largest Fortune 100 and 200 companies across North America, including Budweiser, Coca-Cola, FedEx, and Hallmark, to name just a few.
That being said, what we try to do is make sure that our customer, we build a computer for them. We take those files, we help build their files. We help create those files in a way that they make sure that they're color correct. When they print on any type of the printers that you see here, they're going to come out to their specific color specifications. It's very, very important to us.
TMS Incorporated provides customers with the marketing power of in-house printing, along with the tools to properly create and track signage in their markets nationwide. Their large FMCG client base demands that their marketing reaches their intended user base, whilst keeping any wastage costs to a minimum.
So with Corel, what's nice is you could actually take Corel, we could put someone in the position, we could get them printing right away, super quickly, without a lot of learning curve. So to me, the most important part of Corel for us is to get people printing, because at the end of the day, we make and we sell a lot more products for our customers by printing. So Corel has been a huge part of that, and that's what we've chose over the last 25 years. It's a very important part of our strategic partnership moving forward, and we look forward to having a great relationship with Corel in the future.